first love, so welcome in, 𝒮𝓉𝒶𝓎, mabuhay, and you are all back from Fierce Size. So the truth is, I have filmed a lot of videos, and I haven't edited yet, but I'm hoping that this video I'm filming today, I'm editing today, and I'm uploading tonight, because this box is something that I would call like a care package, because some of the items here are from my mom from the Philippines. The most essential thing that I really need in my life is very important to me. You would know it later. That, and then some items that was given to me by my friend from the Philippines, and she's in Sweden here now. So welcome in. She also have a YouTube channel, and her name is MJ, and her YouTube channel is MJ's Dresser. Yes, and I will put it here, and I will put the link on her channel down below. So yes, she have some surprise items that she got for me that I did not request. Yeah, but it's so nice and thoughtful of her and generous. So I will go ahead and check what that is or what those are. Yeah, but there's also a Pandora item here that I bought like pre-loved, and I wanted to add to my collection. Yes, okay, so all right, so it's from they have the box from Post Nord, which is our local post. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Yeah, so these are the items. Ta-da! Ooh, okay. Okay. So she put it in right here. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I can see some gemstones, and the big thing here is the pH Care, which is the feminine wash. Yeah, I really like the feminine wash from the Philippines. My favorite is the green one because it's a little more like what you call it? Fresh, greasy. Yeah, okay. Well, since this was the first thing that I would see, oh my gosh, close your eyes, people. I'm joking. Yeah, it's a very big feminine wash. Thank you so much. This is 250 ml, so this is like kind of big for her luggage, but thank you so much, because yes, I need that and I want that. And it looks like this. Oh, she packed it because she put this inside her luggage. I really like the packaging of this one. And us Filipinos, we are very, very clean. Yeah, everywhere, especially down there. So yes, and that is how it looks. So nice. It says intimate wash, pH balance, clinically tested with dual blah 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 hydrating moisturizers. Okay, so that, and then oh my gosh, oh, so if you have been following me for a very long time, you know that this planner is my life, and I had this planner. I think the only one that I did not have was their very first one in 2008. Because I have all of the planners, all of them. I lost one when I went to Rome, Italy. What year was that? 2016, I think. But all of the Belle De Jour power planners, I have all of them. And guess what? Of course, I gotta have the 2020. And then she told me that this is the last one when she bought it, because she bought it like around last week of January or first week of February, something like that. So, you know, most of the people buy their planners from November last year. Yeah, so it looks like this, and I can go ahead and show you a little bit of a flip through, so I can show you how it looks like inside. And I really love this planner. This is, oh my goodness, and look at that. The cover is so beautiful. Yeah, love it, love it, love it. And seriously, even though we have local planners here, which is Swedish, which one is the one that I'm using, I still love it. I don't mind having 20 planners. I can plan so much like that. Yes, so there. Thank you so much for that. Yes. Oh my gosh. And this is so Filipino. This is Barrio Fiesta Bagoong, which is like shrimp paste. We love this so much for when we eat green mango. And that green mango in the Philippines is super sour and crunchy. Oh, we love it. Oh my gosh. The green mango in the Philippines, in Sweden, is is what we call like the apple mango. It's like the green with a little bit of red on some parts of it, and it's usually sweet. So that is far from the green mangoes in the Philippines. So, and we have so many kinds of green mangoes. We have small one, big one. We have like Carabao mango, or like so many names for the mangoes also. So that, okay, another surprise. Oh my gosh, she got me a set of gemstones. So they're small gemstones and they're raw because she knows that I like raw gemstones. And I love gemstones and crystals for their energy, for their meaning. You can check out my Instagram if one of my jewelry has a gemstones or a natural stone. I always put the meanings of it. Oh my gosh, this is jade. So I'm not sure what they are. Maybe that's jade. I am so sure that this one is rose quartz, and then she got me a clear quartz in raw. Okay, this is solodite, something. The one with the blue. Just not sure. But I can go ahead and check that out. Everything is familiar. I'm just not sure what they are. This is for sure an amethyst. It's a raw amethyst. There's a black one, obsidian. I have a brownish one, maybe a jasper. Okay. This is very common, but I'm not sure what it is. If you know anything, you can tell me the color, and you can comment down below what they are. And this is another white one with a blue. Oh, this is so sweet of you. Thank you so much. And you're gonna see this like I gotta put it as props on my posts on Instagram at @FierceSai. So that's the items that are all from her. And then I am gonna show you the items that are that I asked my mom to buy for me because I needed, like I seriously needed. It's so hard not to have this one, and that's the reason why you always see me wearing eyeglasses, and that is this contact lenses. I love these contact lenses. So I have two pairs here. One is my favorite color, which I love for filming because it has a very nice effect, and then my eyes are so pretty with it. And so the brand is, does it say here? It's from Executive Optical, which is my what should we call it, where I get my prescription contact lenses. Looks like that. And then it's called the Flex Wear, and I have here the color coffee. So this is just a regular brown color, and I can wear it right now so you can see. There. I'm gonna pause this video and I am going to show you how this looks. And this is me with the contact lens on. Well, this coffee is not like a crazy contact lens color like that one that makes you look like an anime or something. It's almost about similar as my eye color, which is a dark brown. We have dark eyes as an Asian. So yes, and what could I say about this color? It's just it like make it seem like a lighter brown. That's all. Yes. And then I have another one which is charcoal. I love this one because the effect of this one is like, if you see it, it looks gray, but on the eyes, depending on the light, it could be it turns to blue, it could be gray, or a lighter gray, darker gray, up to a nice shade of blue. And I love it when I film because I look so beautiful. That's what I think. Yeah, so there. Okay, oh yeah, just one last item, and I know that all of my Pandora ladies would love it. And that's, go back to the duty-free plastic. And that's this one. Oh, this is so pretty. This is very pretty. It's like, yes, it shows some signs of wear. talking to myself, right? But yeah, it's this one, and it's a Pandora watch. Forgot the name, so I'm just gonna put it here or somewhere also in the description bar. So it's just like this. So it has this gold on the sides, and there's 2 diamonds in there on the top and the bottom, and a diamond on the side, black diamond on the crown, and it's a genuine leather. So this is vintage Pandora, and that's what I love about it. I don't have a watch right now, so I can probably go ahead and wear this so we could see how it looks. But I wanted to actually just clean the face a little bit more. Yeah. So, see. And it looks like that. So today I'm wearing my 𝘽𝑪, vintage 𝘽𝑪, my bracelet. This bracelet is something that I wanted to like represent my birthday. So that's it. Oh, okay. So if the light keeps on changing all throughout this film, it's because I am in front of the window. That's how I always wanted my videos to be, with the natural light. Yes, so that's it. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm really thankful to Candy or to MJ of 𝐻𝒾𝑔𝒽 here on Instagram. Her Instagram is 𝐻𝒾𝑔𝒽2, and then YouTube channel is 𝐻𝒾𝑔𝒽. So I keep on pushing her every day to post on Instagram, helping her out, and then push her to upload some videos on YouTube and have a setup in front of the window. So I hope we could see her soon and make videos here in Sweden, because Sweden is a very awesome place. Yes, so there before I let you go, I think I'm going to let you know about what I'm wearing, and yeah, this makeup and everything. So I blended Unique palette. I forgot the number of the palette, so I can put it right here. So that's Unique, and then I have my for contouring, I used my favorite, which is the Physicians Formula. Put it here too, or put a photo. And then lipstick is H&M. I don't have false eyelashes, or I did not put mascara. I just curled it. Ideal of Sweden for the eyeliner. Smashbox highlighter stick for the highlighting on the nose and highlighting over here. Yes, and then this is a cream blush. And then I set them with my Makeup Forever setting spray, which I really love. For the earrings, I have this rose gold earrings from Pandora. And then yeah, Pandora, and then of course I already told you that that's a 𝘽𝑪, and then I have Swarovski bracelet here with leather. Swarovski here also. Oh my gosh. And this is a turtle. I like it. I have a Pandora pin here to close this dress, which I haven't shared to you on the video yet, but that's it. And then this blouse, which I haven't ironed, sorry about that, is from Shein. It's because I have this workmate in the casino, and she told me, hey Elizabeth, you should order stuff from Shein because they're nice, they're cheap, and they ship fast, and they package well, and everything was true. So yes, I believe you, and yes, I did order. So that's it, everybody. I wanted to actually film some more videos because I have some more hauls. I probably would do that. I will not make it complicated because I know myself. If I make the more complicated I made it, the more that I will not be able to share it to you as soon as possible. So I am going to try, because they're right behind me. I have a Sephora haul of some items, and then I have a designer wallet that I wanted to share, and then one MAC lipstick haul, and then I have bazillions of lipsticks that I am currently getting crazy about, and it's this Guerlain Rouge G and the Kiss Kiss lipsticks. I'm crazy about Guerlain. I have Guerlain for the longest time. These are my favorite lipsticks forever and never. I have other brands, but Guerlain is the best, really. And yeah, that's it. No more rumbling for me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully I'll be able to edit the videos that I have already filmed and share it to you guys. I have lots of jewelry videos that I would love to share to you, and I hope that I will be able to upload it as soon as possible. Please stay safe, and as much as I could, I am trying to post more on Instagram, so I'll see you there. See you in my next video. Remember to stay fierce and fly high. Thank you so much, MJ. And to Victor, thank you. I love you all.